This video is a review of Master Pizza Class Neapolitan Style by Alessio Lacco. Full disclosure, I'm not affiliated with this class in any way. Alessio reached out to me and gave me a review copy. According to Alessio, you can learn how to make the perfect Neapolitan pizza from scratch. In this course, you'll be taught by a professional Italian pizzaiolo the dough making and stretching process, as well as the pizza cooking technique using 3 different ovens: a professional wood-fired oven, a Gozney Roccbox, and a home oven. Upgrade to our premium edition to get access to signature pizza recipes. This course fits the needs of everyone from amateur pizza lover to restaurant professionals. The course has 7 lessons and takes you through every aspect of Neapolitan pizza making. Alessio takes you through all the steps you need to make pizza, from dough making, dough balling, and dough stretching. He talks about pizza dressing and cooking techniques. Alessio uses a wood-fired brick oven, a Roccbox, which is a portable oven, as well as a traditional home oven to cook pizza. He takes you step by step through the pizza making process. The way he handles the dough is very impressive. You can tell Alessio's had many years of experience making pizza. He goes over baking techniques such as stretching your dough and using a peel. He also emphasizes the importance of having a clean and orderly workplace to make your pizza. He covers how to start a wood-fired oven for the first time. And one of the most impressive features of this course is Alessio showcasing his 3-wheeled Atlanta pizza truck. I couldn't help but thinking, I need one of those babies for my own mobile pizza adventures. The lessons here are complete for the first timer to the more experienced pizza maker. He gives you a companion PDF which contains everything you need to master Neapolitan pizza. Of note are the recipes for 150 pizzas all the way down to 3 pizzas. The PDF mirrors all the lessons and contains all the pizza prep and the pizza tools you need to make Neapolitan pizza. The lessons are easy to follow, and Alessio is not only a master pizzaiolo, but also a master teacher. His simple directions will have you making great pizza in no time. I enjoyed his teaching style and his enthusiasm and love of sharing pizza knowledge, which is infectious. If you wish, you can also upgrade to an additional course which gives specific instruction on 15 additional recipes. I would recommend Master Pizza Class to anyone who wants to learn to make margherita pizza, whether you're a first-timer or a professional. The lessons are concise and complete. I would also recommend, if you do decide to purchase the class, you upgrade to get the class with recipes. I think this is a great course and helpful for anyone who wants to get serious about pizza. The fact that he instructs not only the casual learner, but also those who want to enter the pizza business is impressive. For that reason alone, you should purchase this course. Now, whether it's worth it to you or not, you'll have to make that decision on your own. You can find out more by going to alessiolacco.com. I'll put links below this video to the course. I want to wish you all the best in all of your future pizza adventures. If you could show a little pizza love and subscribe, Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.